Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can crop your image as well. So basically what you can do is you can write true, and what this will do, this will hard crop the image that you have added. And you can just write array, and here you can just say left top as well. And what this will do, this will crop the image from left top corner. So basically here you can write left, center and right, and here you can write top, center or bottom. So WordPress will crop your image accordingly. So that's how you can use the crop feature, and if you don't want to crop, then you can just get rid of this. So that's for this video. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.